Trying to get some sleep. I stayed up all night with my super freak. Woken up by alerts coming from my phone. I'm making plays on my paper like a mile long.
Man, I keep missing this turn every time, man. Day 139. I'm out here on foreign grounds. Started my morning off real good. I just left the chop shop. They got me right, man. It kind of went too high on my fade, but that's cool. I ain't tripping. We're just gonna kick it today, man, for a little while. We woke up, the kids was in the pool first thing this morning. They don't play no games about that pool. We're gonna hit the beach a little later on the day. We're gonna go to Daytona Beach or something like that. It's like 35 minutes away. Probably gonna hit the boardwalk. We're gonna see what them games talking about. I might mess, if I see a jet ski, I'm getting. I had to step out by myself solo, get my hair cut. But I'm about to go back, link up with the fam, and we're gonna hit that beach up. That's right. I don't know nothing about this. Oh shit. I see that. Damn, I'm scared to raise my window down now. This old man, y'all don't see it. Y'all see that? Oh. Oh, hell no. Oh. See, it's time to go now. That something just flew in the window. Come on. Oh, shit. All right, let's try this one more time. There we go. I don't know if he jumped in the car or not. Yeah, see, I ain't used to this. Say hi. You ready to go to the beach? We're gonna go to the real beach. Put my top down. Hey, I just tore some stuff up just now. No cap. I ate every bit about 3,000 calories.
The chicken wings.
Right.
The fries with the bacon and the cheese on it.
Yeah. The loaded junk. Once I finish my little drink, I'm gonna put in some work on this sand. About 20 to 50. 20 to 50. 20 to 50. He's at 20 to 50. I'm thinking more like 20. Look what's going on, man. What's going on out here? Take my shoes off. Hopefully the short will wash them away today. Put in this workout in, man. Straight like that. Let's get right into it. Yeah.
Because how about the 10 push-ups? Let me get it.
Ahead with them excuses. We out here on this quarantine B. Oh! I can't even breathe. But I whooped them up real good. Come on, baby. That way. We get a few more workouts on the beach. Do a few bit more push-ups. And we'll See y'all in a minute. Ooh, wait. Hey, boy. So you actually can see inside when you got the lights on in there. That's dope. I was trying to get me some pool action going on. As y'all can see, it's starting to rain again. We went all day with no rain, all day long. Someone's in there come out here try to get this night swimming on. The damn thunder and the lightning come back. You see how y'all do me? Hey, I had to smoke my dude on that beach today. You did what I'm saying?
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
Oh my God! I just dropped a brand new camera. But come back. All right, we still good. About to fall on this concrete. About to fall in the pool, bruh. Like I had to kick it over here in the grass. See, that's why you gotta wear this wrist strap right here. You gotta put the wrist strap on. We did our thing today. We was out there on the beach. Got a good little exercise in. I did some more push-ups. We left. Hey, Lil D hit me up. He said he went to the gym. He actually went in. He did his thing, man. Hey, proud of you, dog. Keep working, man. Because when I come back, we turning up, you hear me? I probably won't see y'all till Monday, no cap. You know, we normally chill on the weekends. But depending on what we do tomorrow, I might hit y'all with a little vlog or something. Shit, I thought I seen something crawling. What's up, baby? I know, it's lightning. We can't.
Look at his ass.
What else we gonna do tonight? Hey, man, that's a wrap for the day. Big of the day. Let's go.
Look at my page.
And we out.
Yeah, straight. Pushing weight. I'm in shape. Look at the abs. He in shape. Look at that ice. She in shape. Look at my case. Yeah, straight. Pushing weight. I'm in shape. I'm in shape.